15 gadgets for men that are worth seeing. Let's find out. 15. Robbox Sennses Pro. The Robbox Sennses Pro is a measuring tool with many uses that changes the way accuracy and flexibility are thought of. It has a stud finder, a laser measure system, and 2-axis digital leveling, all built into a small unit. With real-time images, the Sennses Pro is great at measuring distances, finding centers, figuring out areas, and finding studs. Because it works with different attachments, it can be used for a variety of tasks, from construction to do-it-yourself jobs. The tool is useful for both pros and hobbyists because it can save measurements and sync with the Robbox app, which makes it more productive. 14. Kastking iReel 1 IFC Smart Fishing Reels. The Kastking iReel 1 IFC Smart Fishing Reel is a technological wonder in the world of fishing. It pairs with smartphones and the Kastking app via Bluetooth. It has motion capture sensors that give you real-time casting measures. This gives you data-driven insights that make fishing more fun. The intelligent frequency control IFC system on the reel makes the best use of the spool speed and line tension to reduce backlashes and make throws that are smooth and accurate. The aerospace aluminum frame and carbon fiber side cover make it strong and light at the same time. The 7.2 to 1 gear ratio lets you use a variety of methods, from jigs to topwater lures. 13. Yoose Mini Electric Shaver. The Yoose Mini Electric Shaver stands out as a small shaving tool that is easy to take with you. It's small, about the same size as a wireless earbud case, which makes it perfect for people who are always on the go. This shaver is both stylish and useful. It is made of a strong metal and has a magnetic head that can be taken off. It has an IPX7 grade, which means it is waterproof, and a USB-C rechargeable battery, which sounds convenient. With awards like the Red Dot Award, it's clear that the Yoose Mini Electric Shaver is made for people who want a smooth shave and also want something that's easy to carry around and looks great. 12. Holstery Magmaster. The Holstery Magmaster is a new kind of magnetic tool case that is made to make tradespeople's work easier and more efficient. It's an important tool for electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and more because its strong magnet can hold a wide range of tools firmly, from screws and nails to hammers and wrenches. Because the Magmaster is made to last, it has a strong Kydex frame and a plastic clip that can handle the wear and tear of daily use. This clip-on tool holster is great for people who need to get to their tools quickly at work, where things move quickly. 11. Sangean MNR99. The Sangean MNR99 is a flexible emergency radio made for harsh situations. It has a lot of useful features, like an AM/FM radio with 40 preset stations, Bluetooth streaming, and all 7 NOAA weather channels. The hand crank, sun panel, and rechargeable battery all work together to power it, so it can keep running no matter what. The MNR99 has an IP55 rating, which means it can fight dust and water. It also has a 5-mode LED flashlight with SOS settings and can charge other devices. This radio is great for outdoor hikers and people who want to be ready for emergencies because it is durable and easy to carry. 10. Warmounts Money Clip Tactical Wallet. The Warmounts Money Clip Tactical Wallet is a modern man-made wallet that is slim and simple. It is made from a strong mix of aviation aluminum alloy and carbon fiber, and it has a unique X-shaped hole on the diagonal that makes it easy to get to your cards. Its small size masks the fact that it can hold up to 20 cards, and the RFID blocking technology built in keeps your personal information safe. It's very light and easy to carry around, only 2.29 ounces, but its strong 3-layer structure means it will last for a long time. Besides being useful, this wallet is also a fashion statement that blends style and usefulness. 9. Boomin belts. Boomin belts changes the way we listen to music while we're on the go. It's the first Bluetooth belt buckle speaker in the world, so it's very portable and easy to use. Boomin belts has a magnetic speaker that you can connect to your belt and listen to high-quality music while you play golf, hike, or just take a walk in the park. It's made for active people because it has a range of up to 100 yards and control buttons that are easy to use. Boomin belts are more than just a gadget. They're also a fashion statement that adds rhythm to your daily life thanks to the changing buckle faceplate. 8. Bellroy Key Cover Plus 3rd Edition. If you want to organize your keys in a stylish way, the Bellroy Key Cover Plus 3rd Edition is the way to go. Made from high-quality eco-tanned leather, it can hold 4 to 8 keys and has a magnetic closing to keep them safe and out of the way. The design includes a D-ring for attaching bigger keys or fobs, and the slim shape makes it easy to carry in your bag. The 3rd version has been updated to make it last longer and keep keys safer. This shows Bellroy's dedication to thoughtful design and quality. This is a beautiful ornament that looks good and works well. 7. Knack Ondago Cooler. The Knack Ondago Cooler is a revolutionary design that changes how portable outdoor cooling systems can be. Its wheel-shaped design, which was inspired by balloon tires, makes it easy to move over any surface, even sand, without sliding. The cooler's clever design lets it move, which makes it great for activities that take place in water. It was made from recycled ocean plastics, which shows that the company cares about the earth. The ergonomic contacts and user-friendly features of the Ondago Cooler make it an adventurer's dream. It lets you easily move from one activity to the next while keeping drinks cool and easy to get to. 6. EDC Titanium Alloy Knife. The EDC Titanium Alloy Knife is the best example of both skill and usefulness. It combines the strength and lightness of titanium with the sharpness of a blade that has been finely ground. To make it easy to take every day, this knife is made to do many things well. Its ergonomic form makes it easy to use, and the titanium alloy makes it very strong and resistant to corrosion. This knife is a reliable tool for both urban and outdoor travelers, whether they need to open packages, cut rope, or prepare food. Its slim design and high-quality materials make it a great choice for anyone who wants a cutting tool that looks good and works well. 5. Alight Arkflex Flashlight. Alight's Arkflex Flashlight is a cutting-edge tool for lighting up, with a head that can be rotated 90 degrees for different lighting directions. Its patent-pending non-wire hinge passed 10,000 swivel tests, which means it will work well and last a long time. It has 5 brightness settings and a strobe mode to meet different lighting needs. In moonlight mode, it can run for up to 10 days. The thin design, IPX7 water resistance, and magnetic tail make it easy to carry every day, go on outdoor activities, and fix things. The Arkflex is a strong flashlight that can be used in any situation thanks to its well-thought-out design, which includes an easy-to-reach switch and a 2-way clip. 4. Pocket Portable EDC Tools. Pocket Portable EDC, everyday carry. Tools are necessary for anyone who wants to be better prepared for everyday life. These small, multipurpose gadgets are made to fit easily in your pocket and can come with a range of tools, such as knives, screwdrivers, bottle openers, and more. Most of the time, they are made from strong materials like titanium or stainless steel, which makes them reliable and long-lasting. A good EDC tool can make a big difference in your daily life by combining usefulness with a sleek, unnoticeable design. It can help you with quick fixes, opening packages, or just having a tool on hand at all times. 3. The Dipstick. The Dipstick is an important tool for keeping your car in good shape. Its main job is to check the oil amount in your engine. This simple but important part tells you if your engine has enough oil to run smoothly and efficiently. By using the dipstick to check the oil level often, you can keep the engine from breaking down and make the car last longer. Taking out the dipstick, wiping it clean, and then putting it back in is the process. Next, compare the oil amount to the marked indicators. Make sure your car runs well with this quick check. It could save you a lot of money on fixes. 2. Eskimo Quickfish Ice Shelter. The Eskimo Quickfish Ice Shelter is known as the first hub-style ice fishing shelter and is praised for being easy to use and successful. It's famous for being light, having fully insulated IKTM cloth, and having strong poles that keep you warm and last a long time. Setting up and taking down the Quickfish is easy, and it's even easier to move around because it comes with a handy bag. It's made to be useful and easy to use, with features like mesh storage pockets and holes in the skirt for ice anchor placement. The Quickfish is a safe shelter from the weather for both experienced and new anglers. 1. Putter Smart Putting Green. It's an innovative golf device called the Putter Smart Putting Green that turns practicing putting into a fun game. There are more than 50 games and drills you can do on this high-tech mat that you can connect to your phone or computer. Putter makes practice fun and useful by including a magnetic ball return, 27 tee spots, and a built-in camera for keeping track of stats. Its small size makes it easy to store, and the Premium Putter Club membership gives you extra benefits. This makes it a useful tool for players who want to improve their putting. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.